I always tell you not to build a house. You see this uncompleted building? The owner is selling it. The owner started it, and along the line, he got stuck. You know, when I say it is like, it doesn't make sense, but as you're seeing, there are real life examples. The worst business you can do is to invest in a house. A house does not give you money. Even the one you think is tenant house, go and do calculation, can never give you money. The best thing you can invest in this year, 2025, is in crypto. Take it to the bank. Crypto is the best investment you can do. Forget all those shops you're trying to open, plantain, selling plantain with how many kilobags, whatever, how many trailer will supply, demand, build a house for tenants, build a house for students. All those calculations are rubbish compared to what crypto will give you this year. Let me show you. The best thing you can invest in is crypto, but then you have to do it the right way. Otherwise, you will lose money. Many people have lost money in crypto and in Forex, right? So the best way is visit a website called investorpath.org, not .com, .org. If you don't know how to visit it, go to my profile and click the link there, enter my WhatsApp, I'll give you. All right? Or you check the comments for my WhatsApp number, I'll give you, right? So when you visit there, as you can see, it has listed many cryptos. I just blocked out their names, right? These cryptos are all projected to do well. They are all predicted to do well. Look at this one, 2.5 times growth. This is 5 times growth. So I don't know what business you want to do that will multiply your money 5 times without stressing you. Most businesses stress you. People don't know. That is, if you are trying to open a physical business, right? You are doing business like in the 1980s. You're not taking advantage of the technology that we have today. We have we have internet, we have blockchain technology, we have crypto technology, we have all these things. You have a smartphone, and you are still doing business like in the olden days. Do you understand? So this platform highlights the cryptos that are guaranteed to do well. So that thing removes 99% of the risk of investing in crypto. The way most people invest in crypto is that they invest blindly, or their friend told them that this one is good, they will go and put money there. That's that's gambling. That's the same thing as gambling. But when your decision is informed, that means you know what you're doing. You get what I'm saying? So when you visit this platform, you buy this list. If you want to buy 3, 5, 10, 15, 20 cryptos that are guaranteed to do well, and the platform will ask you questions based on your budget, how much you want to earn, realize from the whole investment. It will now pick the ones that match your budget. It has studied the crypto platform over 8,000 cryptocurrencies. So this is something that would have taken you years to master how to do the. When they're saying do your own research, the platform has done it for you. You pay for this list. It's not for broke people. When you buy this list, you now go to the exchange and do your investment. This is not a Ponzi scheme. You understand? You are not giving this platform your money to invest for you. That's Ponzi. When you give somebody your money to invest for you, when they now make profit, both of you will now share it. Some people are asking, how much will I be realizing per month? No, this is like buying land. You're buying it digitally. Do you understand? There is no land you will buy that will grow by 5 in 1 year. Now, this is not just it. Let me shock you. Can you look at this? This one grew 83 times. 83 times. So this platform has the cryptos that are doing well. This is 83 times. This is what it means. Imagine that you invested 10 million naira. Beginning of the year, January, 10 million naira in this crypto as advised by this platform. By, let's say, September, October, your money has grown 83 times. 10 million times 83. No, answer me. 10 million times 83. This is billionaire strategy. And the thing is that you're able to accomplish this leveraging on technology, not stressing yourself. Because if you're running a physical business, you're stressing yourself. You have to get the supply, and then you have to do the sales, marketing, and then your staff will start robbing you. No, all those ones. You're just monitoring your progress on phone. And you don't have to. You don't have to do trading. Some people ask me, how do I trade? It's not trading. Trading is risky. Every 100% of people that have ever asked me whether they should trade Forex, my answer is no. You will lose money there. One guy came back yesterday and told me yes. He lost $25,000 trading Forex. I said, but I told you last year, don't trade this thing. He said that there was no alternative. Okay, now there's an alternative. Investorpath.com. right? There's nothing to learn there. Some people say, I want to enroll in training. There's no training there. The platform has removed all those complexities for you. It just gives you the answer, bam, straight. And that is what I like. Just show me where to click and download money. That's what I need. I don't need to be learning candlestick when it's going up, that means it's going down. You now stop loss and then you cash out it. No. Now, when you invest in an exchange, the way you invest in an exchange is by transferring money from your bank account, from your phone, right, into the account of the exchange. Then they will now give you crypto in return, right? From that crypto they gave you, you now use it to convert to other cryptos. And those cryptos you're converting to are the ones that the investor part have told you, right? Now you split your income, your money across it. The platform advises you how to invest. You're not just investing randomly, okay? So if you have, let's say, 10 million, 20 million, it will tell you, put 20% here, put 30% here, put 40% here. Do you understand? So when you are splitting it reduces the chances that your money is going to get lost. It's a smart investment. Look at it like land investment. Instead of going to Lekki in Lagos State and buying one land for 100 million, let's say you have 100 million, you go to Lekki, you buy one land for 100 million. What if government shows up one day and say that they want to use that place for bridge tomorrow? Your 100 million is gone. You can't do nothing. What if they sold wrong land for you? There are many things that can happen with land purchase. I'm not saying that Lekki is bad. It's very good, right? But this platform advises you to split your income. So you buy that 100 million, you take 33 million, buy a land in Lekki. Take that 3 million, buy in Abuja. Take that 3 million, buy in Port Harcourt. There is no way on earth your 3 lands will have issues. No way. You understand? We're looking at worst case scenario. Let's say worst, a crypto market is collapse, which we know will not happen, right? There is no way your 3 lands will have issues. No way. You get? So the platform is advising you properly. And this investment, you do it in 2-3 minutes. Just transfer to here, convert to this, boom. Investment is done. And once it's done, you go and sleep. You don't need to study forex trading, when to go in and when to go out, and when to. If you try it, you lose money. Even the best forex traders lose money. Why? Because they don't control the market. There are whales controlling all these things that you see that are moving like this. So there are people that are controlling it. You get? You are just trying to cash in on the. No. Go to investor part, get confirmed list that is proven to be good. And the platform gives you evidence that this crypto you're about to invest is good. The link is there. You click on the link, you go and see the historical performance of the crypto to confirm what the investor part platform is telling you. Do you understand? I'm just answering some questions some people are asking, but they don't pay attention. So once you have done that, your investment is in your phone. If you want, Seth, you can even delete the app you use to make investment. Nobody knows you have money on the exchange. In 6 months, 8 months time, if you come, you download the app again, log in, and you have access to your money. You transfer it from there back to your bank account. That's how to withdraw. You don't need to, there's no cashier. You don't need to talk to any bank. You don't need to talk to anybody. Nothing. Best investment you can make this year. And I want to put it here on notice that as of today, when I'm making this video, all right, on January, let me check. Thursday, January 9th, 2025. Bitcoin price is 93,900. The reason I'm mentioning this and the date is when I come back in future and it has grown, I will say, I told you so. I told you so. Bitcoin will outperform what it has done before. This platform lists and estimates the price of Bitcoin in the next 6 months, 1 year. There are a lot of estimations. So it's guiding your investment. All right. So by the time you are going to, if it's Bitcoin you want to buy or any other crypto you want to buy, you are now well informed as to whether you should buy it or not. Do you understand? It arms you. So go straight, if you're watching, go straight and type the name investorpath.org, not .com, and register. Tell it your real budget. The thing with crypto is the bigger your budget, the more money you make, right? Tell it your budget, log in, and follow the instructions, buy the list, and go on the exchange. If you have not done it before, don't worry, there's a button to chat up admin, and admin will guide you.